All right, guys, we're doing a 2021 Prizm Draft Football H2 for msu29. Good luck, Mike. So this is 1 autograph and 2 silvers per box. Anyone else wants to try one, please let me know. All right. And I'll send all cards for this. And we got a blue, Jonathan Taylor. Not numbered, blue disco. Asante Samuel and Tylan Wallace rookies. David Johnson, PC, Chase Claypool, and Caleb Farley. Blue disco. Jamar Chase, Carlos Basham, Jared Goff. Silver is Brandon Cooks, Jamie Newman, Osai, Daniel Jones, Derrick Henry, and purple is, that's nice, Terrace Marshall Jr. That is 3 out of 50. I've been selling some of his cards on eBay. Dylan Moses and Tyson Campbell. And it is Blake Prohl. Not numbered. Disco autograph. We hit him in Sage. Rookie autograph. Terrace Marshall again. And Micah Parsons. Who he play for? And Kyler Murray and Hilmukar Rashad Jr. Red on the All-Americans. Rec League. Zach Wilson and Trey Lance. Two quarterbacks. All right, Jacob Eason, James Conner, and silver is Jamar Chase. Silver. Rashad Bateman and Patrick Jones II. And we got Mahomey. Blue is Seth Williams. Blue. And Chris Evans and Mac Jones. All-Americans. And blue is Nick Chubb. That dude and Chuba Hubbard. Josh Kelly, Diggs, and CeeDee Lamb, red. Red disco. And Trevor Lawrence, Crusade. And Rashad Bateman. You like it, Dean. You like it. And red disco is Nick Chubb. Another Chubb. Micah Parsons. Tyler Vaughn. And last one. Got a blue disco. Jordan Love. Got Kwity Paye and Justin Fields. All right. Thanks again, Mike. Appreciate it as always. Peace.